So when your washing machine has been used for so long, you want to clean it, you need to thoroughly clean. In order to do that, for instance, you need to remove the spinner drum has been removed. Then you wash the inside. There is actually a hidden screw, this point, and this is the cover. I just prise open. So here, that is what is taking place. Wash the inside. Mark you, this can only be done by somebody that has technical ability to remove the spin dryer. And if you want to know that, check the channel. You see a link at the description box of the video. Shows you how to remove the spin dryer of the washing machine. Unscrewing it. You need to remove the spinner drum removed. Then you wash the inside of this particular washing machine under the spinning drum. The drying drum is quite dirty, so the drying drum is quite dirty, so we need to wash what is taking place. Wash the inside. Mark you, this can only be done by somebody that has technical ability to remove the spin dryer. So here is the spin dryer that has just been removed and then has been washed thoroughly. So to actually do a thorough job of your washing machine, you need to remove the spin dryer like this and wash. So to remove it, you need to follow the video on the channel how to remove the spin dryer of your twin top washing machine. You can see a link to that video in the description box of this video. Also need to wash the cap of the spinning dryer. That's what we are doing here. Washing, then we wipe everything, the clean clothes. This. So having washed the inner parts, we also need to wipe it. So we wipe the inside also. As you can see, the bushing is unbroken, still intact, and so this couldn't be the reason for the spinning dryer not working. The bushing is still quite intact, not broken, If it is broken, it has to be removed, and then we are going to couple back the spin dryer to its place. So we are going to couple it back. So I'm going to screw it back to the rotor under.